Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make thumbnails, the same way as I do. These are some of the thumbnails that I've made before, and this is the one we'll be making today. Of course you can change everything up, as just copying thumbnails isn't fun. Maybe add in some extra effects or make something totally different. To start off, make a new Photoshop document using these parameters. These are the optimal parameters for a thumbnail. Next, get a nice background for the thumbnail. An easy way to do this is to get an image of a map from the game you're playing, and you just paste this in the document. To do this, you can right click on the image where you found it online, copy it, and then paste it in your document using Ctrl-V or Command-V if you're on Mac. Now, resize the image so it fits nicely. Give it a nice blur by clicking on Filter, Blur, and then clicking on Gaussian Blur. Now click on the text icon and add in some text. This can be whatever you want, but try to make it catchy, like here in this thumbnail. To center your text, click on the text on the right, then select the whole thumbnail with Ctrl-A or Command-A, and then at the top of your screen, press these center buttons. The text now looks pretty blank and boring. To add some effects, right click on the text right here, click on this and add in some effects. I usually give it a stroke, a drop shadow, and I change the color. Now that you have your text, you can start to add in some extra pictures. An easy way to do this is to search for a PNG file online, for example this Cassie picture. Then you download it and you place it in the thumbnail by going to File, Place, and selecting the picture. If for some reason this doesn't work and you get, for example, a black background instead of a transparent background, you can make a new file, place the picture there, and use the Magic Wand tool to select the black. After that, you just delete the black and copy and paste the picture into the thumbnail. I like to give the pictures an outer glow so they stand out a little bit more. Keep adding pictures until you're satisfied, and then you can export your thumbnail. Thank you all for watching. That was it for today, and I hope to see you next time.